Did you know there are people in this world who are allergic to water? Actual, real, documented allergy to water. It's called aquagenic urticaria. और ये एक real medical condition है. So yes, technically you can be allergic to almost anything. Hi, I'm Dr. Gunjan, dermatologist, PMU artist and the person behind Eyebrow. और आज का टॉपिक something that almost every new client asks, and honestly, every new artist should know the answer. Can you have a reaction to PMU pigments? Short answer, yes. But before you close this video and never do PMU again, सुनिए पूरी बात. Here's how allergies work. Your immune system is at its core a very enthusiastic security guard. Its job is to identify foreign substances entering your body and react to them. Sometimes it does this job perfectly. Sometimes it overreacts badly to things that are completely harmless, like water. People are allergic to peanuts, to strawberries, to certain fabrics, to perfume, to grass, अपने pets से भी. तो अगर कोई क्लाइंट बोले मुझे रिएक्शन हो सकता है, टेक्निकली वो गलत नहीं है. The question is not can it happen? The question is how likely is it to happen? PMU pigment reactions are rare. And I don't mean rare like, oh, it doesn't really happen. I mean genuinely statistically rare. Think about it this way. Reactions to food are common. Reactions to dust, pollen, environmental allergens are very common. Reactions to certain metals in jewelry, extremely common, especially in India. Reactions to PMU pigments, far less common than all of these. In my years of practice as a dermatologist and then as a PMU artist, the number of genuine pigment reactions that I have seen is extremely small. और जो cases आते भी हैं, many of them are not pigment reactions at all. They are reactions to the numbing cream, aftercare products, even latex gloves. So if someone tells you they had a reaction after PMU, the first question you should ask is, reaction to what exactly? As a dermatologist, when I decided to formulate my own PMU pigments, the very first question I asked myself was, what happens to this pigment inside the skin? I did not ask, does it look good? या does it last long? पहला सवाल, is it safe inside the skin? Because I have spent years understanding how skin reacts to foreign substances, and that knowledge completely shaped how eyebrow pigments were formulated. The pigment ingredients, the particle size, the carrier solution, every single decision was made with one filter. Would I, as a dermatologist, be comfortable with this going into someone's skin? Or ye cheese? Not every PMU brand can say this. So, here's what this means practically for you as an artist and for your clients. Number one, be honest. Don't tell your client reactions are impossible. They are not. But give them the correct context. Reactions are rare and the risk can be further minimized with good quality pigments and correct technique. Number two, know your products. अगर आप ऐसी pigments use कर रहे हैं जहां ingredients का कोई transparency नहीं है, that is a risk, not just for your client but for your reputation also. And number three, if a client has any history of skin sensitivity or reactions, do an honest consultation. Give them the right information. ये आपकी responsibility है as an artist. PMU is safe when done correctly with quality products by a trained artist. It is genuinely safe. But safety doesn't come from saying, don't worry, कुछ नहीं होगा. Safety comes from understanding the science, knowing your products, and being honest with your clients. If this video helped you, like it, share it with your PMU circle. और अगर आप PMU seriously सीखना चाहते हो with real science, real technique, real results, check out Eyebrow's courses. Link is in the description. Next video is about safety and hygiene in PMU, because knowing your pigments is one part of the picture. Knowing how to set up safely is the other. PMU by someone who knows skin. Eyebrow.